Oh, hi. Okay, not in my face. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles, my name is Ashley. If you're new here, hi, hello, how are you? Welcome. I post crafting tutorials, crafting videos, excuse me, that was my phone and my watch. Crafting tutorials, crafting videos, mostly watching me how I craft on things because they're not necessarily a tutorial, just showing you what I do. So I mean, I do a little bit of everything, and I might even start doing a little bit different things on this channel as well that will include other things other than crafting, or strictly crafting, I should say. So I don't know, stick around if you want to. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today, if you've noticed the title, we got a new dog. We actually got the dog, or her, we actually got her right before Christmas, like the week before Christmas. Her name is Ava. Hang on, let me get her. So this is Ava. Say hi, Ava. Say hi. Hi. Here, she's getting real big. We got her, she was about 3 months, so she's about 4 months now. She is super sweet and super loving. She gives really good hugs. Yeah, she's so sweet. Yeah, sweet girl. Yeah, and she's my teddy bear puppy. Dog times. And now she wants to go outside with her sister. Hang on, let me go do that. Okay, sorry about that. And so anyway, she is actually a Australian Husky mix from her mom, and then a Red Heeler Hound from her dad. So she's got all that in her. So while Luna is a Australian Shepherd and Lab mix, we wanted to find, I don't know where I was going with that, but we wanted to find, let's go and watch again. We wanted to find a puppy or a dog that had some of the same breed, or close to the same breed, or the same exact breed as Luna. We didn't want to go and buy a dog. We didn't want to go and like buy Australian Shepherds or anything like that, but we were trying to in the pound and on Craigslist and everything, and just asking around, hey, do you know anybody that's getting rid of their dog, or not getting rid of their dog, but you know, giving up puppies, or if they had puppies, and yada yada, you know what I mean. We were trying to find a dog, a sibling for Luna that would match her energy level. So that's why we got her, because she was the last one of the litter, and they told us, like, we found her on Craigslist, and they told us that, you know, we're actually going to take her to the pound if nobody takes her, yada yada, and we're like, no, we'll take her. So we got her, and she is incredibly sweet. She grew up on a farm, so house training her has been difficult, but you have to excuse Luna outside, she's excited about something. She is, other than that, pretty good. She's learned a lot so far, so she knows sit, wait, well, mostly wait. She's still working on weight. She's doing really good for her age on weight. Shake left, shake right, lay down, and mostly, I don't know what they're going after, mostly leave it. So she's been doing really, really good. Overall, it's just the potty training she's still learning, and I think it's because, like I have talked about before when we moved, or maybe I haven't said it, but my, Luna, come on, but my craft room, it used to be an old patio, so I have a set of sliding glass doors still. They never took them out for whatever reason, which is fine. I actually kind of like it, because then I can shut them and close them off for the rest of the house when I'm going to work on something that's kind of smelly, like resin or something like that in my craft room. So my craft room, like I said, was an old porch that they just closed in and built out and stuff like that. So I don't think she can reach the bells on that door, which causes an issue, and then she doesn't understand. Like Luna, even if she rings the bell and we don't hear her ring the bell, she'll still come and get us. You have to forgive them in the background. She's not going to stop, and I think she's barking at our next door neighbor dog, so just hang on. Yeah, Luna got real big. Oh yeah, you're hairy. had to go get her and bring her in because she wasn't going to shut up. Anyway, so she does really well with training on everything else, but she doesn't understand the idea of coming to get us when she needs to go. So like I was saying about Luna before I was interrupted by Luna, she will ring her bell, and if we don't hear her ring the bell, she'll still come and get us. The beauty about Luna and ringing her bell and knowing that if she rings her bell to go outside, she will also tell on Ava when Ava has gone potty in the house. So she's ringing the bell because she wants to go outside. Sorry. You can wait, Luna. Come here. Over here. Do you want to sit down? Sit. Girl. So she'll tell on Ava when Ava has to go outside, or Ava has gone potty in the house and we haven't caught it. Because we don't like to lock her in. I know, you're not going out there. We don't like to block her in. I know it looks like I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I promise I'm talking to Luna. Luna, come here. Luna. Luna, come here. Up. 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 Nope. Oh, you knew I was gonna pick you up. Up. See? Told you. Talking to Luna. So, Luna will tell on her, and she will whine and ring her bell and whine and ring her bell and come over and whine to us and then ring her bell. She has a specific way of telling on her, and it was so cute, and I'm glad that she's so freaking smart. And she has been helping. She'll even go outside once Ava has gone potty in the house. She'll take Ava outside. Well, not take her. She like shows her. She goes outside and she squats and she goes potty in front of Ava to show Ava that, hey, look, this is where you do this at, that you don't do this inside. Because Luna is so incredibly good. She's such a good dog. She's always been a good puppy. Yeah. And then training a new puppy that doesn't quite understand things, that has lived her entire life outside, has been a little bit difficult. Luna grew up inside before we got her, so she already had a little bit of a head start. So, I don't know, everything's been going good. I just wanted to pop on here and show this little video. Even though it was an Ava video, it turned into a Luna video. Yeah, hi. Yeah. And yeah, I just wanted to say hi. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.